Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to delete documents automatically in BoldSign. BoldSign's automatic document deletion feature is an efficient method for managing document retention. With this option enabled in the application, documents can be automatically deleted once they are completed, declined, revoked, or expired, after being retained for a user-specified period. The retention period can range from a minimum of 14 days to a maximum of 18-27 days. This feature is valuable in scenarios where important and highly secured documents should not be stored for a long time in the application for safety purposes. Imagine a scenario where a legal coordinator oversees multiple contracts and agreements. To comply with data protection regulations, the coordinator must ensure that unnecessary documents are automatically deleted after a designated retention period. To achieve this, the legal coordinator must enable BoldSign's document deletion policy to retain declined and revoked contracts for 30 days. This setup ensures that any documents containing sensitive information that have been declined or revoked are securely deleted automatically after the 30-day retention period. This measure reduces the risk of data breaches and ensures compliance with legal standards. Let me demonstrate how a legal coordinator would do this. The initial step is to access the BoldSign application page. I expand the Settings menu and select the Business Profile option. This takes me to the Business Profile page. Only the account administrator can access this page. I scroll down to the Settings tab section. To set up the document deletion policy, I enable the Document Deletion Policy option. Then the settings for document status filters and the number of days to retain are displayed. The Document Status Filters option specifies the document statuses that should be allowed for automatic deletion, such as completed, revoked, declined, and expired. When I click the Statuses drop-down menu, all the statuses are marked by default. I proceed to select and specify the required statuses, revoked, and declined. Next, I move to the Number of Days to Retain section. Here I need to specify the number of days to retain the documents after they attain the specified statuses before they are deleted. The default retention period is 14 days. I enter the required period as 30 days to provide enough time for review and compliance checks before automatically deleting the documents permanently. I click the Save Changes button, and the updates are applied automatically. Now the revoked and declined documents are retained in the account for 30 days, after which they are permanently deleted. Let's say you want to cancel the deletion policy after enabling it. First, disable the Document Deletion Policy option from the Business Profile page. A dialog box will notify you that all documents scheduled for deletion will be removed from the queue. Click Yes, Disable Policy, and then save your changes. This action will stop any document deletions that were previously scheduled, ensuring that the documents will not be deleted after the previously specified retention period. Next, let me demonstrate how documents scheduled for deletion are indicated. I expand the Documents menu and choose the My Documents option. I locate the documents with declined status. All the documents with a declined status have a badge showing the scheduled deletion date and time is set in the business profile. This also applies to documents with statuses like revoked, as specified in the business profile settings. I can filter the documents scheduled for deletion by clicking the Scheduled for Deletion badge, which displays a list of documents. Users can also cancel the automatic deletion of a specific document. To do this, I locate the specified document, hover over it, and click the Context menu. I select the Cancel Deletion option. This action removes the document from the deletion queue, ensuring it remains accessible beyond the scheduled date. The document deletion policy also applies to team documents. As you can see, all declined and revoked team documents also have a badge showing the scheduled deletion date and time. That summarizes how to delete documents automatically in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.